Hi, this is Anson. Many SMEs start with manual records or spreadsheets, but as operation grow, that process become harder to manage. When a business become busier, there are more sales to records, more expenses to monitor, more supplier and customer details to update, and often more inventory to track. So when all of this handled through separate file, it can take more time, create confusions, and make reporting slower. Accounting and inventory software can help solve these problems by keeping important business records in a central database, a more structured system. It gives business better visibility into their daily operations and help teams work more efficiently. It becomes easier to track stock, review your purchases, monitor sales, and prepare reports using organized information. It can also help reduce duplicate entries and manual error that often happen with spreadsheets. For growing businesses, the right system support smoother workflow and better decision making. As your business grows, better tools can help you stay organized and manage your operations more efficiently.